Hi, I'm Charlie Savko. I am the Microsoft Consulting Manager at Cargas. Microsoft is prioritizing its cloud-first strategy, turning its attention to solutions like Dynamics 365 Business Central, and preparing to say goodbye to on-premise software. Dynamics SL just had its final release, and it sounds like Dynamics GP will be next. Starting April 1st, 2025, Dynamics GP will be available through subscription only to new customers. Starting April 1st, 2026, no new perpetual or subscription licenses will be sold. Only existing GP customers on active enhancement plans will be able to add users and functionality beyond this date. 2026 might sound far away, but planning for and choosing a new system can take time. Are you prepared for what comes next? The Cargas team has more than 30 years of experience as a Dynamics GP partner. We've been here since the beginning, and we know that we're reaching the end of an era. Plus, we've successfully transitioned countless customers from GP to other Microsoft solutions like Business Central. So if you don't have a plan for how you'll replace GP, it's time to chat with an experienced Microsoft partner like Cargas. Head to our contact page to get in touch with our team.